Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over how to create a custom link using the Custom Link Builder. Now, in order to access the Custom Link Builder, you'll first need to log into your account and then head over into your affiliate area. So after you log into your Dreaming Tree account, you'll be presented with your dashboard. On the dashboard is a link to your affiliate area, so you can click that. And you'll see here right at the top is the link builder. And what the link builder does, it gives you two fields. One is where you paste the page that you want to promote. And then this field here is where it will generate the special link featuring this page. So let me give you an example of how to create a custom link to a specific product. I'm going to scroll down here, and again, this applies to any product. You can select any one. It doesn't have to be this one. This is just an example. I'm going to select the winter card. And what you want to do, after you click on the winter card and you're on the product page, you go up to your address bar here at the top, and you want to right-click and copy this. That's the address for this product, okay? So we're going to go back to our affiliate area, and we're going to paste that address into the page URL section. And then we just hit generate, and you can see what happens. It takes that link and it basically adds your custom affiliate information to the end of it. Okay, so you can see that up to this point, everything is identical, minus this little question mark, affiliates underscore SVG equals 1070. And 1070 is my personal affiliate ID, or it's just the ID for this example. Your ID number may be different, okay? But then you can literally take this information, this entire link, make sure that you get everything from the HTTPS all the way through that number at the end, highlight everything and copy it, and that is ready to be shared on Facebook, Instagram, email, whatever it may be. And that will lead people directly to the winter card if they click on it. So let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So I'm going to right-click and paste that link that we just copied that has the custom affiliate number on it. And as you can see, Facebook automatically pulls the actual image of that card and adds it for me. Okay, so once I have that pasted, and as long as I'm happy with the photo, I can just hit post, and it automatically adds it to my feed along with the photograph. Now, that's not my favorite photograph because it's a little bit cut off. So let me show you what you can do if you don't like the image that Facebook automatically pulls. Now, rather than having Facebook try to automatically pull the image, you can always pull down an image from our website. So back to the winter card, and this process is going to apply to any product, okay? What you can do is you can click on this little zoom button here, and it brings up the full-size photo, which you can then right-click and click Save Image As, and just save it to a place that's familiar, maybe the desktop. Okay, so it's saving the image to the desktop. Now I'm going to go back to my Facebook, and let's try this again. This time I'm going to share the photo first. So I'm going to click on Photo and find that photo. There it is, winter. Okay, so it's uploading the photo now, and I want to make sure that I'm going to go back to my affiliate link here and grab my affiliate URL to that specific product. We already generated it. It's the same one we used the first time we posted this on Facebook here just a moment ago. So I'm going to right click and hit paste, and rather than it trying to automatically pull down the photo, we're telling it which one to use. Okay, so I like that better. And I'm going to go ahead and hit post. I can show you the difference. Okay, so you can see here, this one's got the full-size image. This one's a little bit cut off. Okay, so whichever one you prefer, both methods are going to result in the same thing. It's completely up to you which method you want to use. You can either let Facebook pull down the images, or you can upload them yourself. Just as long as you include your affiliate link, you're good to go. So now anybody that clicks on this link, and if they buy this card or anything else for that matter, you're going to get a 20% commission on that purchase.